in front of me is Honor 50, and today I would like to show you how you can change the food apps on this device. First of all, go into Play Store, click on the search bar and download your new default app. In my case, it will be browser, so I will download Opera Mini. You don't have to open it, just wait for it to download and choose Home button. Now go into Settings and select Apps over here. Then you need to click on Default Apps and select one of those sections. I want to change my browser app, so I will go with Browser, click on Opera and go back. As you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!